Hey guys, I know earlier I was talking about installing the Traxxas off-road light kit, and I was trying to pre-wire it, and so when I get home I was gonna just wire it up, plug it in, and here's how here it is. And I just wanted to show you how I have mine set up. The instructions were great. They were very detailed, and it even shows you where you can route your wires, so the installation was very easy. So first thing you got to do is there's two bolts that actually holds the speed control down, and once you take that off, there's a plug on the side over here, right here where the light controller is plugged in. There's a plug in there, but you have to remove the cover to get the plug out. And here is the rear LEDs where it's mounted up here. Two screws are right there. And here's the front LED. The screws are right over here on each side. And I wanted to show you guys before I put it back together. The light controller is right here. There's actually everything has a mount for it. So Traxxas pretty much had planned this previously to come out with this kit. And here is the front light bars. The brackets are right here. Apologize for the lighting here, it's late. As you can see, this is how I had my wiring done. I just followed the instructions. They even show you where you can tie them down right there. And for here, the wires are right back here. There's the wire right there, and there's the tie downs right there. So that's pretty much it, guys. So it took me about an hour and some change. I took my time. I didn't want to rush it. And before I end this video, I wanted to show you guys there's 3 modes on this kit. This is the day mode, which is the light bars are off except for the rear. Here. See if I can get a better angle. That's the day mode, and here is the switch here to change modes. Right there. You gotta kind of reach in there. And now I'm gonna go to low beam mode, which you got your front LEDs are on at low power, and here is the high beam, which is really bright. Yeah, but that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you how it looks before I put this thing back together. And yeah, that's it. It's a very good kit, very easy to install. I highly recommend it. Can't wait to finally get everything put back together. There's a couple of things I still need to do, and when it's done I'll make another video and see how it comes out. Alright guys, until next time.